Let's find the value of x and y as well as simplify this surd. Okay, we are given if O is the center of the circle, angle DAC is 120 degrees. Angle DAC is 120 degrees. Okay, we are required to find x and y. Solution. Alright, now this is an exterior angle now. First calculate angle. Let's calculate angle BAC. Angle BAC. Let's call this angle BAC as m degrees. Okay, so we are going to designate here as m degrees. Good. So m degrees plus 120 degrees will give us 180 degrees. That is sigma of angles in a straight line. Okay, sigma of angles in a straight line, so that m will be 180 degrees minus 120 degrees. This is 60 degrees. Good. The next thing is to find the value of x. Now x is equal to 2m degrees. What is the reason? So we have x is 2 times 60 degrees, which is same as 120 degrees. X equals 120 degrees. Our reason for this 2m is angle at the center. Angle at the center is twice angle at the circumference. Good. So x equals 120 degrees. Now to find y, I draw triangle OBC. Okay, our triangle OBC will have something like this. This is O, B, and C. O, B, and C. So from here, this is y, and this is x. X already is what? 120 degrees, which is our x. Good. Now, if you check from this diagram, you notice that OB is equals to O. So OB, length OB is equals to length OC. The reason is radii of the circle. Okay, two of them are the radii of the circle. Good. Since this is the center of the circle, so a line drawn from this center to the circumference is the radius. So we can just say this is radius. Now, if that is the case, that means triangle OBC is an isosceles triangle. Okay, so if it is an isosceles triangle, this is a base angle. If here is y, here also is y. That is, base angles are equal. Hence, we can now say x plus y will give us 180 degrees sum of angles in a triangle. Good. But we know the value of x. Okay, so we can substitute here 120 degrees plus 2y, because y plus y will give us 2y. This is 180 degrees. So that 2y will be 180 degrees minus 120. So 2y will be 180 degrees minus 120 degrees, which is 60 degrees. Can we find y? Yes. Okay. 2y equals 60 degrees. Therefore, y will be 60 degrees divided by 2, which is 30 degrees. Good. X is equal to 120 degrees and y equals to degrees divided by 2, which is 30 degrees. Good. Now, we are required to simplify we are required to simplify 2 root 2 plus root 8 all divided by root 3. Alright, let's go. First, reduce root 8 to its basic form. Okay, that is basic form. Good. So root 8 is equivalent to root 4 times 2, which is same as root 4 multiplied by root 2. But root 4 is 2. So we have root 8 is equals to 2 root 2. Good. Now let's put it back. Can now have 2 root 2 plus root 8 divided by root 3 is same as 2 root 2 plus 2 root 2 all divided by root 3 because 8 is 2 root 2. Now 2 root 2 plus 2 root 2, this will give us 4 root 2 divided by root 3. Okay, so 2 root 2 plus this will give us this. Now rationalizing, you have 4 root 2 divided by root 3. This will give us okay, so we are going to multiply root 3 to both the numerator and denominator. So this will give us 4 root. This is going to give us 4 root 2 times 3 divided by root 3 times 3. Good. So 4 root 2 times 3 divided by root 3 times 3. This is equal to 4 root 6 divided by root 3 times 3, that is root 9, which is same as 4 root 3. 4 root 6 divided by 3. Okay, we now have 4 over 3 root 6. Okay, so we now have 4 over 3 root 6 as the final answer. So this is how you can easily simplify this. For more on sort, rationalization, basic form and simplification, check my previous lessons on sort. Thank you very much. Solve for x and y. Remember what I have done? I found the value of m, which is a straight line here. Angle in a straight line. From there, this is now an angle subtended in the circumference of this circle, which is half of the angle in the center. So angle at the center is twice angle at the circumference. That is the theorem I used to calculate the value of x. After that, you use base angles of an isosceles triangle to find the value of y. Okay, very simple. Now, what if you're asked to calculate, let's say from here to here. From here to here is m. Is n. Can you calculate n? So solve for n and share in the comment section. Over here, just reduce this to the basic form, which is 2 root 2. Add 2 root 2 plus 2 root 2. That is in the form of a root b plus a root b. So you can add, since they have the same radicals, you can add the outside terms. Okay, that is 2a root b. So you can add the same terms. Alright, so that is what we have done to have 4 root 2. Okay, then rationalize it to remove this radical sign. You get your answer. Thank you for watching.